Imalon na justice system gi Thabak Thouram Singda Paksanna Sijinnarabadi miyamda Achumba Wayel fanghanbada Achouba ngaklau ama oiragani thazai haina Government of Manipur gi Chief Secretary Vinit Joshi IAS na fongdokre. Wafam asi the Government of Manipur Law and Legislative Affairs Department asinduna North AOC da leiba Hotel Imphal gi Sangai Hall da pangthokiba seminar cum training program of Master Trainers of the 3 new criminal laws ki Thouram da fongdokhibani. Thouram aduda DGP Manipur Sri Rajiv Singha IPS Manipur Judicial Academy ki Director Retired Justice KH Nobin Singha DMU LMS Law College ki Assistant Professor CH Momon Singha Government of Manipur Commissioner Law Nungsitombi Athokpam na chingmana athoiba mithunglen sing oiki. Chief Guest ki warol makha taraduna leibak asigi anauba criminal law ahum asi anauba India amagi yamna singthaningai oiba law singni. Anauba criminal law ahum asigi khuthangda India leibak asigi mipum khudingmakta Achumba Wayel fanghanaba hotnari. Anauba law sing asina mamangda British na semlamba colonial law sing adugi mahut sinduna Indian criminal justice system da achouba awonba mapurakani. British na semlamba Indian Penal Code IPC haibadi Bharatiya Dandi Sanhita asi ngasidi Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita haina maming onthokliba asina Dandi haibadi chairak piba haiba asigi mahutta Nyaya Achumba Wayel fanghanba haibasina mayek sengna takli. Amasung anauba law asida akan mamityeng thamli haiba asini. Kanagumba kharana anauba law sing asi maming ta onthokpani haina launabasu yawi. Adubu law sing asi anauba maming onba khak natana law sing asida matamga chunaba ahongba kayat kaya amasu yauri. Masina Achumba Wayel fanghanbada achouba ngaklau amasu piribani. Law sing asi miyamda munna khanganbada media singi thodang yamna chawi. Marak asida English loan asi miyamna Paksanna khangnadaba ama oibana yariba makai lamdam asigi loan ama oiriba Maitai loan sijinnanaba hotnaba mathau tai. Case ama FIR lokhatpa matamda Maitai loan sijinnaba yabara haiba asi yenghanningi haina mahakna makha takhi.
Role of local language is also going to be extremely important, because it should not happen that the public at large is not able to understand because we communicate only in certain language, that we communicate, let's say, in English only. Please ensure that the language of the public is used while communicating with the public. So the media, I'm sure, across the state will use local language to ensure that these laws are appreciated and thereafter used by each and every individual after understanding them properly. On this occasion, I would also like to give this food for thought to all present here, that as of now, especially in the state of Manipur, we have been using English language when it comes to filing of FIRs, and also as well as when the investigations are done, everything is done in English. Many times I have seen in the last 1 year, it leads to misinterpretation, it leads to people not being able to write what they are feeling on both sides, when it comes to complaining and also when it comes to investigating and putting the report. Is it feasible, is it possible that we start using local language, Maitai loan, while writing this? So the experts present here can discuss this, and if it is found feasible, then what are the things that we should be doing so that we are able to make the law reach into hands of everyone, the justice system becomes suitable for everybody, and nobody thinks that the justice is far away from him.